Hello. It's been several weeks since I posted anything with the Revell 1/29th scale X-Wing. I've gotten distracted by several other projects, but I want to get this wrapped up. This is video 4 in the series. It's not much building. It's just a confession on a mistake I made. I blamed it on the instructions. Not really the instructions' fault, my fault, but the instructions aren't that clear. So just throwing in this in there to try and clarify it in case anybody else has the same challenges, and also admit my mistakes. So anyway, when I was building this wing section, page 9, step 8, I had trouble fitting in the engine cowls because the way I had built it was incorrect, and so they wouldn't fit on the correct way relative to this oriented line. If you notice, there's two different wing sections. One has an orifice, one has a shaft. So this is the one we're talking about with a shaft. So when you build it, make sure that the wing is oriented in this direction with the solid piece of the shaft up when you build this, and put this black stripe on, and then it'll flow through correctly when you do the rest of the steps. So here is an example of the other side of the wing with the shaft, and it's got this hollow part in it. All right, can you let's see, is that showing up? All right, good. So when you build it, just make sure that hollow part is facing down, and when you orient it in a black stripe, because this is the only wing section with a black stripe. So then when you orient that black stripe later, it will be in the correct spot. Because when I built it, I actually had this upside down, so I put the black stripe on the wrong side, so I had it flipped, and then these two pieces were out of alignment. I fixed it, but it was incorrect. Anyway, just admitting my mistake. That's all this video is going to be. Next video should be more construction, and then I think finishing up will be the last video, 6, just to complete it. Thank you.